Okay, Michelle and I rocked up to this place. It's quite amazing. This guy only makes a handful of foods, but they're so busy. So it's got dahi puri, samosas. Every night we come to this place, it's booming. There's queues and queues of people all through the night, whatever time you come. So it's called Madhushahi Samosa Centre. How do you say?
Madhushahi Samosa Centre.
Okay, Madhushahi Samosa Centre. So Michelle's got the puris. Oh, these puris are so good. This is full of goodness and sweetness. There's a yogurt, so it's a little crisp puri full of yogurt and all sorts of little crispy flavours and spices and herbs. It just pops in your mouth. Thank you. Here's the samosa. So the samosa comes in a little sauce. Thank you, my friend. Okay, put that down there. Let me get one more of these puris before Michelle finishes them all. This is my favourite. I love these puris. I'm telling you, I don't fake lovely. They are delicious.
There's 5 on a plate. I have 2, so he has 3.
I have to get this recipe. Sweet, spice. Oh man, just give me the look. I've got some on my shirt.
This has got the crispy noodles on the top.
So they put, same as the dahi puri, little crispy noodles, and serve it with a little spicy sauce with a little green chili sort of gravy on there.
That's good.
Really good, huh?
That's good. A little bit spicy.
I'll show you the menu here. So gulab jamun, karat halwa, plain samosas, plain kachori, vada pav, dahi vada, ranging from 15 to 30 rupees max. But look, I'll put the address down where this is. It's hardly a secret though. They're literally they're literally queuing out the door all night. And trust me, you'll always get served here, but big queues. Got my samosa. They've just broken the samosa up. Yeah, this is a masala samosa, so it's got potato. Masala samosa or aloo? Has inside? Aloo. So it has aloo inside, chickpeas, potato. It's great flavour. Such good flavour. What's inside this one?
Pardon?
How is this one inside?
It's a very good one.
Yeah?
Very good.
So I should have one of these as well, yeah?
This you should have.
Okay. I love this place. Food is so good. I ordered the kachori. He said, when I finish this, he'll get me one. Looking after me. Thank you, mother. He knows a sweet tooth. He's convinced me to go for the carrot halwa and the gulab jamun. Now I'm going to let Michelle have the carrot halwa. She's not touching the gulab jamun. They are my favourite. So this is the carrot halwa, sweet. This is the king of Indian desserts. Sweet.
Sweet. Carroty. Nice, I like that.
Like sort of carrot cake, maybe? Kind of. Oh yeah. It's good. Not as good as this though. Gulab jamun comes in a beautiful sweet syrup, rose water, cardamom, burnt sugars in there, all sort of lovely sweet molasses flavours. I love this hot with ice cream. It's not meant to be hot with ice cream, but we can teach the Indians a thing or two. Serve this hot with a beautiful kulfi ice cream. It's the best. 15 rupees down the hatch. They do some small ones here in India.
They do.
What's the point of a small one? When you've got a mouth the size of mine. Thank you, brother.
Squeeze out.
Thank you.
What's that?
So I'm just going to film on the corner of the road here. The whole meal there, 140. There's a guy on the corner also doing little dahi puris or pani puris. Madhushahi Samosa Centre.